Now, a former employee of the St. Anne Municipal Corporation is may be facing a raft of charges following a report from the Integrity Commission of alleged corruption and fraud that took place in the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. Jamaica Maitland has our story.
Former Deputy Chief Engineering Officer of the St. Anne Municipal Corporation, Xavier Monroe, could be facing multiple charges, including fraud, conspiracy to defraud, obtaining money by false pretense, perjury and corruption. A report tabled in the Parliament by the Integrity Commission on Tuesday revealed that the St. Anne Municipal Corporation entered into a contract with Raheem Williams of Raheem's Cleaning and Trucking to sanitize and clean sections of Ocho during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. But how the company was selected has been flagged by the Integrity Commission as being irregular. Let's rewind to March 2020, when the government began its COVID-19 public awareness campaign. Raheem's Cleaning and Trucking was awarded a contract valued at over $46 million a few months later. But according to the Integrity Commission, it was a single-source contract which not only lacked transparency, but it was not approved by the corporation's CEO, Rovell Morris. The report indicates that Xavier Monroe created the estimate for the COVID-19 project. Witness statements also suggest that he called Raheem's Cleaning and Trucking to inform them that they've been selected. Mr. Monroe has denied the claim, adding that the company was randomly selected. At least two of the invoices submitted by Raheem's Cleaning and Trucking showed different dates with varying costs. Notably, one of them was described as being a replica of the estimate submitted by Mr. Monroe. The Commission also pointed out that there was no value for money, as the St. Anne Municipal Corporation could not measure if work was really done. The company was to provide sanitizers and COVID-19 brochures as part of the contract, but employees at the corporation said it never did. Both Mr. Monroe and Mr. Williams have denied this. Raheem's Cleaning and Trucking was paid $45,138,446. The issue has been referred to the Director of Corruption Prosecution to determine whether charges be laid on both men. Xavier Monroe is now at the Hanover Municipal Corporation, while a search for Raheem's Cleaning and Trucking at the company's office showed it was still a registered company. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.